Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a more private browsing experience on Instagram, often referred to as ghost mode. While there isn't an official ghost mode button, you can use several built-in features and strategies to view content and interact more discreetly. We'll cover how to adjust your settings to enhance your privacy and control your digital footprint effectively. To view Instagram stories anonymously, you can utilize various third-party websites or applications. These tools allow you to input a public profile's username and watch their stories without your view being registered. Remember, this only works for public accounts. Always exercise caution and ensure the reliability of any external service you choose to use for this purpose. You can manage your online presence by adjusting your activity status in settings, making you appear offline to others. Additionally, you can disable read receipts for direct messages, preventing others from knowing when you've seen their texts. Consider setting your account to private, which gives you control over who follows you and sees your content, enhancing your overall privacy. For optimal privacy, regularly review your Instagram settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Be cautious about sharing personal information on public profiles. While anonymous viewing tools exist, they typically only work for public accounts and may have limitations. Always prioritize your digital safety and be aware of what information you are making accessible to others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.